kuweka kuenda kwa live stream kama iko. I've been live for the last 30 seconds. Search Luo English. Refresh. No, I can see it. Ndio hii.
I can't see.
Hmm?
I can't see.
I don't see.
Let me check this.
No, I can see it. Ndio hii.
Here it is.
Why was it not there?
I don't know. Sometimes you use it.
Ucheke volume. Check. This is a live stream check. We're just trying to check whether this works. And if it works, we are planning to start live streaming in the next 2 or 3 days. And this is where, so don't worry. If you're watching this live, you're not doing much. We're just setting up our system so that it works for us. And
Can I go in?
mm, meanwhile, this is an upcoming video. We are supposed to be talking about action verbs to do with one thing, luok. So these are the slides. There are only 4 slides and there are 20 sentences. And these sentences are for luok. So we shall be able to do this in the coming days. No, not in the coming days, tomorrow. And thank you for watching this live stream. This was just a test because we want to start live streaming frequently and we have to set up everything well. Otherwise, thank you and God bless.